In today's video, I'm going to teach you, here's the easiest way to make a to-do list in Notion. We'll keep this simple and fast so you can start organizing your day right away. First, open Notion and create a new space to work in by selecting plus new page. This gives you a blank canvas that's perfect for a quick checklist. You don't need a template for this, just a plain page is enough. Once your page is open, click anywhere on the page and type to do. Notion uses the / command to quickly insert different types of content, and to do creates a checkbox item. After you see the to do item appear, press enter to add your first task. Type something you want to remember or act on, like send the update, review notes, or anything meaningful to you. When you're ready to add more tasks, just press enter again and keep typing. Every time you hit enter, Notion creates a new checkbox right below the last one. This makes it easy to brain dump everything you need to do without stopping your flow. If you think of something later, place your cursor where you want the new task and press enter there to add it in the right spot. To fine-tune the order, drag tasks up or down to reorder them. Hover to the left of a task to reveal the drag handle, then click and pull it into place. Move high-priority items to the top and push less urgent ones down so your list reflects what you want to tackle first. As you complete items, click the checkbox to mark a task as done. Notion will check it off and lightly dim the text, helping you see progress at a glance. If you clicked by mistake, just click the checkbox again to uncheck it. This simple visual feedback makes it easy to keep your list tidy and accurate. If you want a bit more structure, type heading to create section titles, like work, home, or school. Choose the heading style that fits your page, then press enter underneath that heading. Add more to-do items under each section so your tasks are grouped where they belong. This small touch makes longer lists much easier to scan and manage, especially when you're juggling different parts of your life. That's all there is to it. A clean, simple checklist you can build in seconds and maintain in minutes. And that's how you make a clean, simple to-do list in Notion using the to-do command.